Hi, this is Annie with Switchback Savvy. I'm dressed a little differently today because we're headed up north to our USL League One neighbors. We're going to visit the Northern Colorado Hailstorm. Come along with us. This is the first match I'm able to get to that doesn't conflict with the Switchbacks. So let's have some fun today. My husband and I traveled the 2.5 hours north to Windsor, Colorado for the Northern Colorado Hailstorm game. You can use the express lane on I-25. It does require a toll. But enjoy the scenery, and the traffic was light for Sunday. A must-stop on the trip is Buc-ee's in Johnstown, Colorado. It opened in March of this year. It's a large gas station to fill up your vehicle at, but inside the store is an amazing selection of snacks, souvenirs, and barbecue. They have really clean bathrooms and even showers for those making long road trips. After grabbing some lunch at Buc-ee's, we were back on the road to finish our trip to Windsor. Tonight's game is between Northern Colorado Hailstorm and Greenville Triumph. Hailstorm were founded in 2021. They play at Four Rivers Equipment Stadium, which opened in 2023 and seats 2,800. Both teams are in USL League One, which is a division below the USL Championship. Triumph sit at number 4 with 24 points, and Hailstorm is number 6 with 19 points. The teams have met 6 times before, with each taking 2 wins. The stadium offers a couple of different concession areas and a small merchandise shop for team apparel. At kickoff, it was hot, with temps in the high 80s. Greenville's attempted cross is blocked out of bounds by Oprah for the Hailstorm. Lee gets his head on the ball from the corner, but it is cleared away. In the 4th minute, Martinez slots the ball home to give the Hailstorm an early lead. Horde nearly got to the long ball for another attempt at goal. Six minutes after the first goal, Gill gets the ball in the box and scores the second goal for the Hailstorm. Corvino takes a shot for Greenville that goes just over the crossbar. This shot by McKinnon is deflected out by Hailstorm's Longlois. This throw-in by Hailstorm was easily gathered by Gardner for Greenville. This attempt by Lee went high and wide of the goal. This cross by Smith was pulled in by Delgado for the Hailstorm. Hailstorm's coach Zayed seems to favor the knit sweaters even on a sweltering day. Hats off to him. In first half stoppage, the Hailstorm was awarded a penalty as Gill was brought down in the box. Horde's penalty attempt was high, sailing over the bar. The first half ended with the Hailstorm taking a 2-goal advantage into the locker room. you are enjoying the game and got a cup of iced wine to cool off. This Hailstorm counter nearly was scored by Rendon, but Garner of Greenville made a great save. A cross by Gill nearly finds Rendon in the box. Garner for Greenville makes a good save on this attempt by Horde. King for the Hailstorm takes the ball across the box and finds space to deliver a shot. But again, Garner makes the save.
There it is. Stay on side.
This shot by Martinez strikes Rendon, who is unable to move out of the way. Corvino's shot is sent wide of the goal.
One goal, this game on.
This shot by King is easily caught by Gardner.
There you go.
Oprah sends a beautiful cross into the box, which Horde heads into the back of the net to make it 3-0. Hernandez had a chance to add a fourth goal, but his shot went over the bar. This ball in was just beyond the reach of Gabo. A cross by Clark was punched away by Gardner. This attempt by McKinnon was blocked by Delgado. An attempt by Greenville's Scarlet was cleared away by Evans. Next, Schultz's attempt goes over the bar.
Hey.
The Hailstorm logged a convincing 3-0 home victory against the Greenville Triumph.
That was awesome. Well done.
It was a really fun game. Congrats to the Hailstorm on their victory. We enjoyed supporting our USL League One neighbors to the north. I will definitely be back for another match when their schedule doesn't conflict with the Switchbacks matches. My receipt roundup is empty because we didn't have any travel expenses to log other than the gasoline for the road trip north. Please like and subscribe and share this video out, and make sure to get out there and support your local USL teams.